Greetings, Earthligans. Today's watch is the Nixon All Points North The Outsider. This will just be a simple fix of replacing the battery. The watch appears to have been released sometime around the summer of 2011, and it features a unibody of polycarbonate, or polyurethane, one of those two. I'll be honest, I forgot. All you really need to get into this guy is a small screwdriver, and there are 4 screws to undo. Once you have the watch open, you'll notice that there is a sticker over the battery. You should probably not remove this, as it appears this is used as an insulator for the battery. All you really have to do is unpeel it, just so that you can get to the little bar that's covering the battery. Now, there are 2 ways that you can open this battery. There's a little clip on like a piece of white plastic that you can kind of try to pry over it. However, I'm going to do the more lazy, but also the more safe way of just unscrewing the screw on the other side, as I don't want to damage it. Once that battery cover is off, you'll need to grab your replacement CR2032 battery to place inside of it. And then once you have the battery placed, you just need to do the reverse of however you took that battery cover off. So in my case, I'm going to screw back on the plate cover and make sure I have the other end clipped on properly over that little white nub. Also, in case it helps and you're struggling getting that little clip out, if you look in the close-up of here, you'll see there's like a bit of a tab that sticks to the left of where it kind of clips on. You can push that bit down and it should help you, once you kind of flick it up, it should help you kind of take it out. Also, in case this happens to you too, on the top right, you see a very tiny golden spring. Now, when I flip the camera over to look at the, to confirm that the watch is working, that spring kind of flies out, and I had no idea where that where that spring went until after I was done filming. That spring honestly doesn't do much. I mean, I think all it does is just to kind of help open the back cover a little bit once you're done getting those screws out. Once you have the battery cover plate thingy on, all that's left is to place the sticker back over it. It's okay if it doesn't stick perfectly on it, as long as when you close the case that it remains flat. Just make sure the little rubber gasket is in the right place, and simply place the screws back into their positions. And that's it. You're done with the battery, and everything's back in place, and the watch should be working. I'm going to be showcasing some stuff here really quick. The Nixon Outsider does feature stuff like an alarm, a timer, has a cool compass feature, and actually in regards to the alarm function, it has a very interesting way that the alarm kind of ends, where in general the watch is very quiet, and so the only sound you really hear from it is from that alarm, and 10 seconds before that timer is up, you hear a couple beeps, very steady, slow beeps, and then once that timer's up, it beeps very fast. So here's just a quick demonstration of the alarm. The fast beeps will continue until you press any of the 4 corner buttons on the watch. It also has a simple light system, where you press the top left button to turn on the light for a few seconds, or you hold it to keep it on. It is missing a little emblem piece on the bottom, however, for a thrift store find, this is a pretty cool watch. Thank you kindly for watching, and please like this video if it helped you or you enjoyed it in any way. or feel free to leave a comment for any feedback. Thank you, and have a nice day.